back to my channel. We got another video. In today's video I am going to do 2 strand twists so that I don't have to deal with my hair. This is after I took out my braid out. This is a couple days later. I mean, my hair looked like trash all week, so it's about a week later. All right, I think so. So before I start, I want to show you guys, I washed my hair yesterday. I wanted to show you guys the shedding. Like, it is so real. Now, this isn't as much as it was the last time I washed my hair, but it's a lot. Here's one clump of hair, and then here's the second one. Like, I mean, this is a lot of hair that I'm just, I mean, when I say it's coming out like in strands of clumps and strands of hair, yes, that's what's going on. But we're gonna go ahead and get into the video, so let's go. Okay, so I want to show you what we're gonna use. Sorry if you hear noise, it's my little baby boo. Again, we're using the Intensified Hydration Twist Defying Custard from Shea Moisture. We're using this. We're using our buttercream. We need water. We have our wet brush. I love this brush. Oops. I love this brush. This brush is awesome. It has like holes in it for the water and moisture to get out of the brush so it doesn't stay in this part. When I comb out my hair, you don't feel nothing, okay? I love this brush, and it's by, I don't know, it just says wet brush. I got it from Target. A brush to smooth out curls, and I did bring my new favorite, some beeswax, I think to put on my edges, but I probably won't use it. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I washed my hair last night, rolled it up in this little bun, and I used my microfiber towel, and I put on like a little bed cap, and I went to sleep. So my hair is still wet, but it smells so good. I use the Garnier Fructis. I'm not going to part my hair, so that's why I don't have a comb. I'm kind of just going to go in, twist, and I think they're going to be medium-sized twists, I guess. I'm not going to do real small ones because I don't want to. It's going to take too long, so go ahead and spray my hair. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm not going to talk. I'm going to just show you what I'm using, show you what I'm doing. And that's really just it. So let's go. Okay guys, so I'm finished. I'm speaking low because baby is sleeping, so I'm gonna just make it short and sweet. I put some of the beeswax on my edges, and that's really it. So now I didn't do any like real parts other than this middle part that I already had. Other than that, I didn't do too much. Didn't do too crazy with the baby hairs. My hair is already shrinking. You see, let me get a close up on these curls, the twists. They're nice and juicy. Juicy curls. Twist. And then I just twisted my, twirled my ends. Just made my baby hairs. Nothing fancy. Okay. Let me fix this. That's gonna have to do for now, and then I'll fix that. Let's just fix that. All right. So I can flip it any which way I want, like this. All right, guys. I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one.